My name is Clarissa Roque, and I'm an apprentice chocolatier at Chez Christophe. I started baking from a pretty young age. I would always help my parents out in the kitchen, and ever since we started making cookies or anything cake box, I just got hooked onto that. Something I like about baking is simply being able to create something beautiful and delicious and seeing the joy that it can bring other people. Competitions are great. I learned so much, and just something I love about competition is simply the thrill of it. It's very exciting and it can be stressful, but it's the adrenaline that makes it enjoyable for me. And all the training leading up to the competition, I've learned so much from my instructors, from my trainers, from my employer. It's been a pretty great journey.
So Claire has been with us for almost 2 years now. So when she graduated from her first VCC program, Claire is really dedicated and passionate about her career. The sky is the limit, like she can do whatever she wants. Claire is really young, but she has all the quality to succeed in our industry for sure.
My experience at VCC was amazing. I took the high school baking foundation program and continued on to my second level of apprenticeship towards my Red Seal. And all the instructors, they try hard to help you to grow and succeed, and they push you as far as they can. Some advice that I would give to a high school student would be, if you're really passionate about baking, then just go for it. You have nothing to lose, but you really have to be passionate and you have to care about it every single day.